Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are talking about one of the biggest snowstorms since 2016, okay? Pittsburgh can see 6 to 12 inches, okay? Ow, my nose. We're gonna watch this video, then we're gonna go work on the models. See this area? We're in that 8 to 12 inch range. Okay?
God, you're bad. Hey, Cindy. Hey. Hi. Hi. I could have really easy on this team. It's a disaster.
I'll call you back after I post this video. You know. Here's the biggest snow total of all, okay? So this is the forecast here for snowfall here. Here is at 8 to 12 inch range, okay? Oh, it just went up again? There's a potential here that we could be over a foot of snow, potentially. It's going up that an 8 to 12 inch range snowfall for my area is coming. But this storm is expected to be really major. Like I said before, this storm is going to be really major, okay? There's that snowstorm on the models here. You can see this area of, this is monster snowstorm here. Winter storm Izzy, supposed to bring a lot of snow. And then there is a potential for a snowstorm in the most unusual area you ever see. Look at that. Louisiana, freezing rain. Come on, weird. More storms to follow. Potential another snowstorm could follow, so. It's going to be one of the snowiest months ever. Look at the snowfall, y'all. This is for the first storm, okay?
Maybe we could do it and forget it forever.
So, this is for the first storm. See that? 8 to 12 inches here? But look, more snow's coming. Look at this. Already 11 inches, but boom, look, it hits right up to the foot mark. Fayette County is in a foot. See that little area? That's a little ice pocket, but watch this. It gets filled in. It gets filled in with snow. Look how much snow we could see after all these storms are done. 20 inches of snow, okay? If you want to look at the whole U.S.
I don't see anything on that menu that's on your plan, big guy. So maybe the water.
Look at all that snow. Look at all that snowfall. Goodness, I'm congested. Ugh. It's snowing right now. Yep. It's weird. We're supposed to get a little system of snow today, so. But right now, I'm focusing on this. So you can see. You can see how much snow we could see this weekend. I'm going to go check out my area once again. Okay? But the big storm, I'm off tomorrow, so you will likely see me posting tomorrow a lot. And tonight, too. I got a lot of opportunities for tonight, too.
No, don't care.
5 to 8 inches of snow, okay? This storm's going to be historic. Our first round of snow comes in today while it's happening right now, but our biggest snowfall or storm is coming this weekend with Izzy, so there's a cold front moving in, so it's gonna set us up for this big blockbuster snowstorm. Oh my lord, 76 inches up there, boy. Look at this. I gotta show you something that's very unusual for the southeast. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. 4 to 3 inches of slate-free rain in Louisiana. Let's check out the radar frozen for our storm in the northeast that's coming up. So, here's that. It's this weekend. I'm going to be off school tomorrow, so I can be working, but I'm going to probably not go too far. So we get snow events after it, too. That's why we're going to see so much snow. Okay, here's that. Here's Sunday morning. There's that rain, okay? Look at that. It just explodes into the cold air and boom. This is a monster snowstorm, okay? There's that thunderstorm. There's a severe threat tomorrow as well. I mean, there's that risk of severe weather, too, on the southern end of the storm, okay?
Where's my father? Where is he?
There is that tilted trough here. You can see how significant this storm is, okay?
Now!
It could become a bombogenesis. You can see this storm here that's forming, bringing in that major snowfall. Here's that 21-inch reading. Look how much snow you get. Watch. That's how much. Let's see the CMC model. Holy shit. 15 inches of snow? You gotta be kidding me, bro. 15 inches of powder. What? Bro. There's that ice storm here coming in. Look at that. There's that ice potential for Fayette County. But look, it misses us, huh? Look at this. Look at this storm. Come on. Look at the snowfall in this. Holy 8 inches. Yo. Something big is going to happen. 15. Look at this. Fayette County. 15 inches of snow. Oh. Wow. There's a little ice, but not for Fayette. But boy, this storm, the GFS and the Canadian model right now are both impressive. Let's go to the tropical storm Tibbetts again and compare these two models, okay? We're going to compare these two weather models, okay? Alright? That's 15, but that's less than the GFS, but the GFS is more intense, but still that's a lot of snow. Look at this. Look at the models here. The GFS is really predicting a lot of snow. It's really predicting it. Look, the CMC and are different. Look at that. But there's still plenty of. They're like the both of the models right now are both getting into an agreement that there's going to be a major snowstorm, likely to dump over a foot of snow in these areas. Okay, both of the models are saying that there could actually be way over a foot of snow dropping here. So, some parts of the Great Lakes will see over 40 inches of snow. So that snowfall is going to be insane, okay? So a blockbuster snowstorm is going to hit, okay? Let's go check out the Pivotal Weatherford models, because we are checking out these models, okay? We're gonna see what's up. Worksheet forecast. There's that winter severity index. You can see there's that potential. There's the ads again. Out of nowhere. Look at this significant index. You can see that crap here. But that significant index will be by day 5, okay? We're gonna see what we're gonna check out by $6, okay? Here's that storm coming in on the models, okay? Here comes that snowstorm, okay? Okay. It'll be moving in here. You can see the snow. It's not reaching us yet. There's that severe threat setting up here on the southern end. Here comes a major snowstorm coming in. It's saying it won't come in till oh, here it comes. Look at that.
What?
Nothing. Ow.
What, Matt?
Nothing.
Matt!
Nothing, buddy. Oh, yeah, there she is. Look at that snow coming in. Oh, my God. Look at that. If you go back. That storm is producing ice here. A little bit of ice. Or whatever. But I don't think that's going to happen. There's that really heavy snowfall.
Come on, you fucking remote.
How's that snowfall? 7 inches here. By Tuesday morning. There's a potential here for that 11. Look at how much snow could fall. Look at this. Look how much snow could fall here. 10, 12 inches here. Yes, you can see how much snow could fall. Let's check out the CMC, okay? Hello. Yeah, there's that potential for 720 in. Bruh. Let's check out by Saturday the 20th. Yo. Let's check out the nothing for that model, but it shows an insane snowstorm, okay? Winter storm Izzy, okay? This is the name of it. Izzy is going to be a very big storm. It's going to be very impactful. This is going to be a monster. This is Izzy dropping a lot of snow, okay? This is where things get insane, okay? You see this snowfall? Totals are going to be crazy enough to be crazy enough. So, I'm going to get out of here. And the GFS model with this crazy snowstorm. Let's do the Connish US. Look at that snowfall. You can see the snowfall. I was wanting a ruby.
Well, you ain't getting a ruby. Because there ain't none. I don't know where the fuck they're at.
Okay. Sorry about the cussing, but this snow.
Either take it or you don't take it. What do you want?
I want it. This snowfall is going to be nuts. Another video is going to be posted this evening as well. Because I got nothing else to do but stay up tonight. So this will be... Make sure you guys like and subscribe to Wells Weather on Earth.